The kitchen is where everything starts, so keeping it clean is essential. Begin by giving surfaces a quick wipe down with a mild cleaner to remove unseen bacteria. Nothing beats the satisfying gleam of a spotless countertop. Next, remember to wash your hands and utensils frequently. A few extra seconds make all the difference in avoiding cross-contamination and preserving food quality. Separate your cutting boards, using one for meats and another for veggies, and always store leftovers in airtight containers. This simple practice keeps flavors fresh and prevents spoilage. Don't forget your appliances. Every week, give your fridge and microwave a deeper clean. In a clean kitchen, meals taste better, food stays fresher, and cooking becomes a joy. Keeping things tidy is easy and worth it, making each meal a little safer and more enjoyable for everyone.